work at the museum is really varied. In the molecular labs, we receive a lot of different types of tissues and materials, and it's our job to provide sequencing data, molecular data for those samples. We've received interesting samples such as helmets, suits of armour, where we're asked to test the material that's in the lining. We've had antique bone tables where we've been asked to identify or clarify that the table is made of particular bone. Samples from customs and excise, furs and skins, hair, teeth, bone, insects. Insects are a big one. We have samples that come from other collections or that may have come from auction houses, and they're often contaminated with rodent DNA or bacterial or fungus, and they pose some challenges to try and actually identify or get the correct sequence rather than the contamination. I've always found the QIAGEN kits extremely reliable, and they work on a wide range of tissue types. New tissues come in, I've never handled them before, but through the experience and knowing what the kits can do, you then apply that knowledge and use it for new and novel different types of tissue. The moves in technology for generating molecular data is very exciting, and I hope that I can be involved in how the museum moves forward in those technologies in the future.
QIAGEN.
Sample to insight.